Good morning, student. Today we are starting a new unit of accountancy, retirement of a partner. That is unit 4 of partnership. At the time of retirement of partner, the first and foremost question arises: what will be the new profit sharing ratio after retirement? Why? Because the person who is going out from the firm is leaving his share in the firm. Then second question, what will be the gaining ratio between partner? The retiring partner's share will be gained by the existing partner in some ratio, which is known as gaining ratio. So today we will discuss about the new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. On the death or retirement of a partner, the partnership firm will be reconstituted, because any change in the deed will result the dissolution of partnership and reconstitution of the firm. One major change will be the change in the profit sharing ratio of the remaining partner. Let us see how the gaining ratio and the sacrificing ratio will be calculated. New profit sharing ratio. There are different cases when partnership can have new profit sharing ratio. Sometimes the partner may decide to change their existing profit sharing ratio without any admission or retirement of a partner. Suppose पहले इक्वली थे 1-1-1, ABC are a partner sharing profits 1-1-1 equally. Now they decided to share future profit 3-1. So there is a change in the ratio. At the time of admission of the new partner, when new one is admitted, he will get share. The old partner sacrifice their share in favor of new. Will also result change in the ratio. And at the time of retirement or death of old partner, as earlier said, due to retirement or death of a partner, the ratio of existing partner will change, because the outgoing person is leaving his share in the firm and it will be gained by the existing partners. This may result in a gain to a few partner or loss to other. The partner who are in profit due to this change in the profit sharing ratio should compensate by means of goodwill to the sacrificing partner, or you can say outgoing partner. New profit sharing ratio is a ratio in which the partner decided to share profit and loss in future. Gaining ratio is a ratio in which the partner have agreed to gain the share of the outgoing partner in to add the profit of the existing partner. Sacrificing ratio is a ratio in which the partner have agreed to sacrifice their share of profit in favor of other partner. So sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio, and gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. Gaining ratio is calculated at the time of retirement or death of a partner. It is the ratio in which the remaining partner acquires the outgoing partner's profit share. When the partner retires, the profit sharing ratio of the continuing partner gets changed. Continuing partners distribute the share of retiring partner among them. फार्मूला पहले ही बता दिया था. Gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. Now there are some questions which you have to solve. Various cases of new and gaining ratio are explained as follows. Case 1. When the share of retiring partner is acquired by old partner and old ratio, or you can say if nothing is said about the gaining ratio, it has been assumed that the containing partner are acquiring the share of retiring partners in their ratio. इसको हम क्वेश्चन से भी देख सकते हैं. अमित, सुमित एंड पुनीत शेयर प्रॉफिट एंड लॉसेस इन द रेशियो ऑफ 3:1 रिस्पेक्टिवली. 3:1 उनका ओल्ड रेशियो है. अमित रिटायर यानी फर्स्ट वन इज रिटायर एंड रिमेनिंग पार्टनर्स डिसाइडेड to take Amit's share in the existing ratio 2:1. वैसे तो रेशियो दिया है 2:1. यदि नहीं भी दिया रहता तो भी in the absence of any information, it has been assumed that Sumit and Puneet will gain the share of Amit in the ratio of 2:1. Calculate the new and gaining ratio. The existing ratio between Sumit and Puneet is 2:1. The old ratio is 3:1. So you can say Amit's share is 3:6, Sumit 2:6 and Puneet 1:6. So the existing ratio between Sumit and Puneet is 2:6:1:6. Who is getting retirement? Amit. His share is 3:6. So the ratio in which the containing partner decided to acquire the share of retiring partner is 2:1. So B will make 2 part of 3:6. 3:6 is the share of retiring partner. So Sumit gets 3:6 into 2/3 यानी 6/18 और पुनीत gets 3:6 into 1/3 3:18. So the new ratio between Sumit and Puneet also 6:3, that is 2:1. गेनिंग रेशियो निकालेंगे तो न्यू रेशियो माइनस ओल्ड रेशियो. न्यू रेशियो 2:1 है यानी 2/3. ओल्ड रेशियो 2:6 था तो 2:6 गेन आई. 1/3 ओल्ड रेशियो न्यू रेशियो है और 1/6 ओल्ड रेशियो है पुनीत का. तो 1/3 माइनस 1/6 1/6 गेन आई. तो गेनिंग रेशियो आल्सो 2:1. Second case, when the share of retiring partner is acquired by old partner in old specified proportions. Question is Amit, Sumit and Puneet share profit in the ratio of 2:3:1 respectively. Amit यानी फर्स्ट रिटायर यानी कि 2/6 retire and the remaining partner यानी Sumit and Puneet decide to take Amit's share equally, that is 1:1. Calculate the new and gaining ratio. तो वही करना है, पहले गेन निकालेंगे. Amit's share at 2:6 which is taken by Sumit and Puneet equally. So 2:6 into half, 1/6 by each. Sumit get 1/6 and Puneet also get 1/6. And then new ratio, old ratio plus gained share. The old ratio of Sumit is 3/6. अब 1/6 किया गेन तो प्लस 1/6 तो हो गया 4/6. LCM 6 आएगा, 3 + 1 4. Puneet get also equally 1/6, 2/6 into half. Puneet new share 1/6 plus 1/6 2/6. The new ratio between Sumit and Puneet 4:2. 2 is common, so you can see 2:1. And gaining ratio is given in the question equally. So gaining ratio is 1:1 and new ratio is 2:1. Case 3. When the share of retiring partner is acquired fully by one of the continuing partner, Amit, Sumit and Puneet share profit and losses in the ratio of 4:5:2 respectively. यानी 4/12, 5/12, 2/12. Amit retire यानी 4/12 retire. Sorry, 4 plus 5, 9 and 2, 11. Sorry, 4/11, 5/11 and 2/11. That is their old ratio. Amit retire and Puneet acquire Amit's share. The whole share of Amit is acquired by Puneet. Sumit will remain as before. Puneet new share 2/11 plus 4/11, 6/11. Or Sumit's share existing as earlier remains unchanged, that is 5/11. So the new ratio between Sumit and Puneet is 5:6. Gaining ratio in this case between Sumit and Puneet will be, Sumit तो 5/12 ही रहा, 5/11 ही रहा एज इट इज़, तो उसने तो कुछ गेन किया ही नहीं है. पुनीत ने जरूर गेन किया है, 6/11 minus 2/11, 4/11, which was the share of Amit. So this shows that the entire gain is taken by Puneet. So dear student, there are 3 conditions in which we calculate the new and gaining ratio. Number one condition, now I am summarizing one by one. Number one condition is where the nothing is said about the gaining, then the gaining ratio between the containing partner will be assumed that they are gaining the retiring partner share in their ratio. कहने का मतलब ये है कि जब कुछ भी नहीं कहा जाएगा क्वेश्चन में, तो रिटायरिंग पार्टनर का शेयर कंटेनिंग पार्टनर उसी रेशियो में लेंगे जो कंटेनिंग पार्टनर के बीच में रेशियो है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द ओल्ड रेशियो इज 3:1 ABC. Now A got retired, so the ratio between B and C is 2:1, so the gaining will be 2:1 because nothing is said about the gaining. Second case, when some ratio is given in the question, in that case, first you should calculate gaining of the existing partner. Suppose A, B, C are partners sharing profits 3:1. B retire, यानी 2:6 retire, and his share is taken by A and B equally, that is 1:1. So you will make 2 part of 2/6. 2/6 into half, that is 1/6 by A and 1/6 by C. And in that case, the new ratio will be old ratio plus gained share. And third case, when the entire share of retiring partner is taken over by only one partner, in that case, you should not calculate gaining ratio because the entire share of a outgoing partner is taken by one of the existing partner. तो इस केस में फार्मूला तो वही लगेगा, न्यू रेशियो इक्वल टू ओल्ड रेशियो प्लस गेन शेयर. चूँकि एक ही बंदे ने पूरा गेन किया है, तो रिटायरिंग पार्टनर का या डिसीज पार्टनर का होल शेयर उसी बंदे को ऐड हो जाएगा जिसने उसका पूरा शेयर गेन किया है, और दूसरा पार्टनर अनचेंज्ड रहेगा. इस तरह से आप न्यू रेशियो एट द टाइम ऑफ रिटायरमेंट और डेथ कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. फ़र्क सिर्फ इतना है कि रिटायरमेंट में वही पार्टनर जिंदा बाहर जाता है और डेथ में वही पार्टनर मर के बाहर जाता है. कैलकुलेशन में कोई फ़र्क नहीं है. जैसे रिटायरमेंट में न्यू रेशियो कैलकुलेट होता है, वैसे ही डेथ के वक्त भी न्यू रेशियो कैलकुलेट होगा. एक बार फार्मूले और रिवाइज कर लें. एट द टाइम ऑफ रिटायरमेंट और डेथ, गेनिंग रेशियो इज इक्वल टू न्यू रेशियो माइनस ओल्ड रेशियो. यदि न्यू रेशियो से ओल्ड रेशियो को माइनस कर दिया जाए तो गेनिंग रेशियो आ जाता है या गेन्ड शेयर आ जाता है. और एट द टाइम ऑफ रिटायरमेंट और डेथ, न्यू रेशियो इज इक्वल टू ओल्ड रेशियो प्लस गेन्ड शेयर या गेनिंग रेशियो. तो यदि न्यू से ओल्ड को माइनस कर देंगे तो गेनिंग रेशियो आ जाएगा, और ओल्ड में गेन्ड शेयर प्लस कर देंगे तो न्यू रेशियो आ जाएगा. ये आपका रेशियो का टॉपिक था। नाउ ओवर। थैंक यू।